Welcome, today in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So in Motorola G71 5G we can't enable the AOD feature by default. So to do that we just should go to the Play Store application, and in the search pool here enter the Movies Edge. And with the help of this application, we'll just turn on the always on display feature on our device. So now we have to get this application, tap here to the install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app. Here click to the draw over apps. Tap here to the Movies Edge and click here to allow display over other apps. Now here go back, and here as can you see we got some tabs to always show display. You can just select one from these tabs, for example this one, and tap here to apply. And now we'll check. As can you see, our AOD feature is activated right now. So that's it, that's how it looks. That's how to turn on the always on display feature on our Motorola G71 5G. And thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.